In this simple video tutorial I'm going to share with you how to add sound while screen recording on your iPhone. You can simply add microphone sound when screen recording on your iPhone in just few simple steps. To do this, you will have to just head into your phone control center. Make sure you have the microphone added to your control center. Then long hold on the microphone button. To record with your sound on, just press right here to enable the microphone on. You can simply undo the option at any time. That's how easy it is to enable sound while screen recording on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.